Morning, Ron. This is Aaron Swett from Linwood, Washington. I was bummed to hear that you moved down to Florida. I was looking forward to hopefully running into you someday.
Wow, Aaron's Smartwood Shop, fantastic. This is a really short video, but it's tight and there's a lot to learn. I've watched the video at least a dozen times. It makes me want to gut my Smartwood shop and rebuild it. He's taken the Smartwood shop idea, the plans, and just really made them work for him. I can't imagine a single woodworker carpenter that wouldn't love to work at a Aaron's setup. If you want to build a Smartwood shop like this, or better yet, like Aaron's for yourself, a smart station, smart bench, or any of the accessories that work with the system. And that's right, it is a system that you can have just one piece and it's standalone, or you can add any of the other pieces to leverage it. They all work together to make you more efficient. Okay, let's get back to the fun stuff and finish watching Aaron's video. Watch it at least a dozen times. Every time I watch it, I learn something new.
But I got a tour for you of a Ron Paulk inspired smart wood shop. I've remodeled this thing 4 times now. I started out with just this first row of shelves and drawers right here. The first 3 there with the long drawers underneath. And then I added this stuff back here. And that was actually part of the original remodel also. And then I added these drawers on this side. And then I added the cubbies on top and the space for the Paulk benches. Just finished those and actually just put all this stuff back together from a job that I've been on this week. So just starting to get into the Festool ecosystem. Picked up a Capex last year after I noticed that my DeWalt was wobbling a little bit. And so I needed a more accurate saw, and I bought that thing mostly because of you. And then I bought this year I bought the vacuum to go with it. So one thing I wanted to show you on these drawers that I just made is you had said that you made a mistake on building these things one time and you put the handle on the wrong side. And I thought, well, that's kind of a really good idea. And so I put a handle on both sides so that when you pull it out, you can grab onto it and take it onto the job site. So anyways, that's the tour. I know it's kind of quick and crude, but there you go. Thank you, Ron. I really appreciate all the designs and everything that you've given me, and look forward to probably modifying this thing again. Hopefully I'll meet you someday. Talk to you soon. Bye.
If you enjoyed Aaron's Smart Wood Shop tour, then be sure to give him a thumbs up and comment, dialogue with Aaron. I'm sure he'd love to answer your questions. I know you are enjoying touring around in these smart wood shops, but we want to see yours. And it's really easy to do. Grab your smartphone, turn it horizontal. If it shoots in 4K, turn that on. Just walk through your shop and show us and tell us about it. And let us see your mug. We want to see the woodworker behind the smart wood shop. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss any of these wonderful videos. Thanks for hanging out with me in the smart wood shop today. You stay safe and have a great day.